Hello everyone, I'm pleased to give you a mini demo of Datama Compare, which is a custom visual in Power BI. You can get Datama Compare in custom visuals in Power BI. The idea is to be able to explain the variation of any KPI between 2 points, typically between 2 dates. So let's say, for example, I am trying to explain a variation in revenue between 2 time periods. Well, Datama will help me do that very efficiently and very clearly. First, by being able to break down this variation into sub-indicators, I can, for example, decompose my revenue into traffic, conversion rate, and average basket size. Datama actually creates for you what we will call a market equation or a KPI tree, the decomposition of a macro indicator into sub-indicators, which will allow you to quantify the impact of the variation of each of these indicators on the main indicator. Here, my traffic increased by 13%, which should have increased the revenue by 1530 euros. And then Datama will also help you break down to explain the variations of each of the indicators. So you have a series of dimensions by country, by channel, by device, and Datama will score the dimensions in order of interest to find the most interesting dimension for you. In fact, you have a logic of interest scoring that is built, which tells you to look at it by country rather than by device, because by device it's less interesting. All segments contribute in the same way, while by country, Spain explains almost all, or at least 2/3 of the change in the conversion rate here. You understand that with your biometric columns, you can, in a few seconds, it can explain any variation. Datama will generate the bullet points, and you have control over the structure of this text. Datama will give you the ability to have different visualizations. You can display everything as a decision tree, as a waterfall, and you have a number of settings available to go very deep into the comparison, including possibly creating double comparisons. And all of this is accessible to your users directly in Power BI with your data remaining exclusively with you. It's secure. And then all the parameters, the calculated fields that you can imagine in Power BI will have an impact on the visualization of data mouse, just like on any graph. There you go, that was a very quick introduction. Feel free to check our documentation, ask questions in the comments of this video, and I'm very happy to have feedback. See you soon on our analysis applications. Thank you.